In this video, I'm gonna share to you how to create hundreds of creatives for Pinterest in only 15 minutes. So it will be a full value guide with all the prompts and details below in description. So let's dive into it. First, you will just need the Gemini and Flow to execute all the prompt, and we will create studio creatives and also UGC creatives. And all these creatives from only one product images. And so if you don't know me, my name is Luc Bermond. I'm the founder of Pinaz, the first French-based agency specialized only in Pinterest and Pinterest ads for performance. And we are doing a lot of AI for Pinterest. That's why I'm sharing all this process to you. So let's go to Gemini. I just paste the first prompt here. The first thing to do is just to download picture from your product pages. So I'm just downloading all those images just for Gemini to understand, okay, what's the branding and the brand style of my brand. So yeah, I just need to put all creatives here plus the prompt, and then I will launch that. So that's the first step. Now I have my brand style look. That's the file that we will use later. So let's go to the step number 2. So I'm using the prompt number 2 here, and the prompt number 2 will be, so you will need to go on Pinterest to find inspiration about what you will want in terms of creatives that you will generate with AI. So you can see and you can check all the creatives from your competitor, for instance, and the goal here is to select, okay, which type of creatives I want that the AI will generate. So I will put, for instance, these creatives here with the sun, and on Pinterest you can select also by type of skin, for instance. The goal is to find inspiration to give more and more data, and Pinterest is the perfect place for that. Okay, so I'm using the prompt number 2, so I just need to select all the creatives that I just download from Pinterest. So is that one here, and then just on this zone you need to paste the brand style look. So the brand style look that I just create before. So I just need to paste it, and then I need to launch all the prompt. And now I will have my second steps on Gemini. Then we have the search step here, and then we will go to Flow, also from Google. So okay, I have my file, so that's perfect. So let's go to the prompt number 3. For that prompt, the prompt number 3, you will just need blank product images, like this one, for instance, but without text if it's possible, just for the AI to understand the product. So yeah, that one is perfect. Without any text, it's way better here. So now it's the time for the scenario library generation. I just need to put my product image and also all the prompts that I create just before. So brand style look here, just paste here. So I just paste here. Image prompt insights. So that's one, and all the time you have the title here at the top of the file, so pretty easy to see. So I just paste it, and now the AI will create, Gemini will create the scenario library that we will put into Flow to create those amazing creatives. So it will take a few seconds, and in the meantime, if you want to know more about Pinterest, you can have a look to my channel, a channel specialized only on Pinterest and Pinterest ads to achieve high return on ad spend. Now I have all my scenarios, so I just need to go to Flow, click on new project here. Here I will put my last prompt, and Flow, it's AI creative generation, so with Nano Banana Pro. And a few things to set up here. You need to put portrait, so vertical images for Pinterest pins, 4 output per prompt. So when I will create and add my prompt, it will create 4 images. Nano Banana Pro, so that's perfect. And here I need to put my last prompt. Again, all the links are in the description, and you need to put on this part the brand style look. So brand style look, that's the first that we created here. Second, the scenario library, so that's the last one that we just create. So this one we just copy and paste here. If you already use scenario, you can use this part to don't use it again, to don't mix, and to have proper scenario from the new scenarios that you create. And also you will need to put your product images here, and also you will need to put your product image. So let me select my product image, crop and save, and now you're ready to launch the prompt and get 4 creatives in only one prompt. So now is at the time when the AI is going to generate all the prompts. So now it's studio creative, and then we will switch to UGC creatives. And all the prompts are made from Pinterest to get high performance. So here, as you can see, you will see different creatives. So the first one is here, and as you can see, the quality is pretty nice, and you can download everything in 4K. So you just need to click here. And the most powerful thing here is that you can click on a reuse prompt here, and then just need to click here, and now a new image will appear here, and just one here. But if I want new, I just need to click on reuse prompt again, and here not just one creative that I want, but 4 creatives at a time. So here portrait, Banana Pro, and then okay, now I will have 4 new creatives, and then you can iterate. So yes, if you are saying okay, this creatives is not very nice for my product, for instance, you can just select the ones that you prefer, and then if you just pick the best one, you can have very nice creatives just over there, and everything are coming from AI. So that one also looks like the face of Hailey Bieber. But yeah, look, you can look at the quality of the image here. It's pretty perfect. So yeah, pretty crazy and pretty easy also to do and to iterate again and again to have very nice performance inside your Pinterest Business Manager. So now let's switch to the UGC content. So if you want UGC creative from AI, and again to create a lot of creatives to test on Pinterest ads, then you just need to use the first prompt from the second resources down below in description. And so this prompt is a bit different because it's ready for UGC creation, and here the goal is to build authentic UGC scenario. So I will just paste the full product page here in this page, in this section. So yeah, I will just open everything. Oh, I can't, so I will put all just the benefits here, for that I have to have maximum context. So here I copy, just paste, and then I launch the prompt. So the first prompt is just UGC product and persona analysis, nothing more, just for the AI to have the best context possible before going to the next prompt. And you will see this UGC part is even easier compared to the studio part. So now I have this first part. Next, I'm putting the second prompt. For the second prompt, I just need to click on paste here for the UGC creative brief that we just created before. So okay, I just paste everything here, and I just need to put a product backshot. So import product backshot, it's this one, and then when it will be okay, I just need to click on send. It's only 2 steps for the UGC creation. Then the next step will be to go directly into Flow, because now we will have all the scenario that we will need to import into Flow. Perfect. Now I have all the scenario. Now I need to go to Flow. Same process, new project here. I will put the same settings. So for portrait, Banana Pro, and then I paste this new prompt. So I just need to attach the same product images. So here, let's go, crop and save. I need to paste the UGC creative brief. So that's the first one, and just need to follow the resources that I just shared to you. So here, the scenario also. So scenario library, just need to paste it, and then everything is ready to have nice UGC. And that's the same process. If I want to have 4 more in 2 clicks, I just need to click on reuse prompt, 4 here, perfect settings, then I will have 8 new creatives in a few seconds. So that's pretty crazy. If you want to have hundreds of creatives in only 10-15 minutes, it's completely possible. And look at the final quality that I can download in 4K again. So that's amazing. So product on the bed here, on the table, just over there, on a book with different type of context, and you can prompt everything as you wish. So here that's more like UGC content that you can put on Pinterest to have nice return on ad spend. And if you want to know more about Pinterest and how you can leverage all those creatives into Pinterest Manager, you can check my YouTube channel. I'm publishing 2 times a month with a lot of video, like complete tutorial, tips about Pinterest ads, Pinterest SEO to get the best performances on this platform. So hope you like this video, and see you in the next one.